Does the Social Security taxes taken from your paycheck get saved toward your retirement? This is a question I want to answer for you right now with the law behind me. I am Payman Motahedeh, the president of Freedom Law School, which I found in 1996. The answer is no. None of that money gets saved toward your retirement. Let's go to the information right here. We'll look up the law, folks. 31 U.S.C. Section 1321 Trust Funds. Here you'll see from Title 31 federal laws, money and finance, okay, there is a subchapter 2 trust funds and refunds. Here it is, folks, and in this section they show the following are classified as trust funds. You see all kind of things like the Philippine Special Fund listed here. But guess what, folks? You go down on this page all the way, read all of this trust funds listed in here, and guess what? You will not find anything here about a Social Security or payroll tax trust fund. There's 91 of them listed here, and and a little bit more, and that's the end of it. There is no such thing as a Social Security trust fund. And the Supreme Court told us this in Stewart Machine Company versus Davis way back in May of 1937. In his court case, the court said clearly that the proceeds of these payroll taxes, when collected into the Treasury of the United States, like Internal Revenue collections generally, and here's the key part, they are not earmarked in any way. That's right, they are not earmarked toward your retirement in any way at all. Surprised? There's more. And how about the money being paid out when you retire? The same thing goes there. The court says that the appropriations, the money spent by Congress, when made, were not specifically out of the proceeds of the employment tax, but out of any monies in the Treasury, out of the general U.S. Treasury. They're not earmarked in any way. Folks, you can look up these laws right up, which I just showed you for yourself. Here's 26 U.S.C. 3121 definitions. Look it up, read it for yourself. And you know what? What's amazing? You look at this, folks, you see also the definition. Well, who got to pay Social Security as far as geography is anybody in the United States, which when used in a geographical sense includes the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico, okay, the Virgin Islands, Guam, and American Samoa. Not you, the people of the 50 states. That's right. For the purpose of this subchapter, folks. Yep, Section 3121, okay, definitions, okay, which on wages, all these definitions, guess what? You are not a person covered by the tax because you don't live in these 4 listed island territories. And the word state only adds what? Washington, D.C., the District of Columbia to it. Watch these 2 short videos on our YouTube channel. Do Social Security and Medicare taxes apply to your wages or wages you pay your employer? The short video you ought to watch, that's only under 7 minutes, and a longer full version of the same thing in 57 minutes is here. So go to our website also, and on the petitions on the top right, go there, and that will lead you to these petitions to Congress about this issue that you sent out. These petitions have the court cases and the laws attached. Just like I showed you, Section 3121 is here also and highlighted for the congressman, because that's the step you need to take to free yourself of the deception and robbery of the income tax. Social Security tax, I mean. Watch the longer video in the description below. And the box will come up above as well, but in the description below, watch the longer presentation on this topic in more detail, and stop paying your money to nowhere land. You have no legal requirement to pay that money. You can keep it all, and you save for your retirement yourself. Well, you watch out for yourself. That's your money. Keep it, save it. Go to livefreenow.org also for more education and freedom answers now.